For our ancillary task, we were asked to create a corresponding movie poster and website for a film trailer that we produced for our coursework. We started this by gathering ideas during our post-production, as in the editing period we'll be using text, including a title and credits, and to achieve the most professional outcome we decided these should all follow the same theme and have a similar look and feel. We first researched current, fairly new and previous released films' websites and posters to understand the codes and conventions, and take inspiration for our own. At the time of research, Les Miserables and Life of Pi were the top new releases in cinemas, so we looked at their websites, posters and social media pages. As we first discussed, the designs such as the colours, logos, pictures and layouts were kept the same or similar throughout. We thought this was an extremely important aspect for our media products to achieve professionalism and high quality. The conventions of the websites for both films we researched were similar. They are kept simple and eye-catching. The background is a large image from the film that is memorable and can involve main characters or a main setting, something that is very relevant to the film and will encourage the audience to see the film. The film's logo is something we spent a long time on and decided this was another important aspect as to achieve professionalism. A high-quality logo that is memorable adds to a professional look for a film. The websites of films we looked at had their logos large and in the centre of the homepage. Other aspects of the design of websites included additional text placed around the logo, such as a tagline, release date and actors, and some included reviews from well-respected companies. All the text used is simple and links with the logo. It matches, so again looks professional and clean. It is pleasant to look at and makes the viewer want to stay on the website and watch the film. The actual interactive features of the website included pages, which again are kept simple, such as home and photos, so the website is easy to use and navigate around, and the main point of the website is to advertise the film, so the images and logo are the most important part. We then researched movie posters to gather knowledge on the codes and conventions. As an example, we analysed Pirates of the Caribbean poster and found that posters and websites share similarities. Their main features are large images from the movie, or sometimes the characters pose and a new image is taken for the poster as the background. The film's logo is large and eye-catching, placed at the top or in the centre. In the credits, the date is often used, but this is usually highlighted to draw attention to it. The poster is rather like a website homepage. We kept this in mind when creating our own. The credits supply information such as the cast, crew and production companies that were involved in the making of the film. We created our own credits text on Photoshop, using the credits from The Dark Knight as a base, and used this for the poster and cut it into the trailer. We invented Wok Productions, Schoolhouse Pictures and Glass Beach Productions, and used the Wield, Canon and iMovie logos in the correct places. We also added Coming Soon and made this bigger and bolder than the other text as to make it stand out. Our own trailer is a psychological horror film based on a group of teenagers who consequently end up trapped in a haunted motel after their car breakdown. So for our film's image, we needed to first start creating a logo and decide on a colour scheme that would be used for a trailer, website and poster. We brainstormed and decided that red, black and browns would be a suitable colour scheme, as red is typically associated with horror films because of blood. So we decided the writing on the wall should look like blood writing on a wall, as to link with the storyline of our film. We experimented with a number of fonts that mimicked blood writing and settled on one that appeared readable but also like someone had written the words with their finger. We then placed this on a wall texture that we found online and used faded blood splatters to add effect and again linked with the idea the title had been written in blood. This logo and background would be the base used for the poster, website and trailer shots. Firstly, we added this to our trailer. From our planning and research, we decided to add the title at the end of the trailer and then have the final shot of a Coming Soon image. Again, to make this look professional, the title shot and the Coming Soon shot would need to correspond and follow the same theme. So we used a blood-splattered wall, a simple font for Coming Soon, and the credits we had created on Photoshop that would also be used for the poster. We then used the logo base to begin our poster using Photoshop. Using our research that we recorded on our blog, we placed the actors' names at the top using a simple font, highlighting their surnames, and invented a tagline to go below this, which we faded as to not draw attention from the title. Because we were using the wall background, we decided not to use this image from our footage, but instead used a cartoon silhouette of a house that we edited and placed on the right of the poster as to mimic the house we used in the trailer. Here we went against the conventions of the posters we had looked at, but felt this was the most effective way to create our poster. Added credits that we used for the trailer and placed these at the bottom as we felt it was the least important information, and this follows the other posters that we had researched. When the poster was finalised and we were happy that it advertised our film well, we started our website. As said before, when we researched the convention of a movie poster, the homepage is much like a poster, so we simply used our logo and background base that we had used for the trailer and poster and placed this on the homepage of our website. We then thought an important aspect of the website was links to our social networking pages, and Wix.com allowed us to have a social bar showing the logos of our Twitter, Facebook and blog. As social networking is very popular within our target audience, females and males aged 16 to 24, this would be a main feature of the website. Our pages were simple: home, about, photos and watch trailer. Our main focus was to make the website simple, advertise our film and correspond with the poster and trailer, which we believe we have done effectively. To successfully combine our main product and ancillary tasks, we had to construct a professional and effective image that advertised and suited our horror genre and would be popular with our target audience to produce an overall positive appearance for our film. We carefully researched as to select the appropriate aspects for our poster and website, using a suitable logo and images to publicise our film.